Hi everyone, it's me Radical Ray and welcome to ORO Jam. Next stop is SAGPULON Falls. Hi everyone, Radical Ray here and April, say hi. First time nagkabalabal siya and then her first time to go to our very own SAGPULON Falls. From Cagayan de Oro going to Jasaan, it will take you around 1 hour, and from the highway going to SAGPULON Falls, it will take around 10 minutes or 8. You will encounter the hanging bridge. Be safe, okay? From the hanging bridge going to SAGPULON Falls, it would take you around 5 minutes on foot. Well, what do you expect? So, Pai, what do you say about SAGPULON Falls? Lovely. For all the descriptions she said, lovely. It's amazing! Woo! Amazing. Fresh air, cold water, what you expect, pure nature. Ay, bukay mata. Ito lang. Yeah! And there is this little cave on the right side of the falls. Right there. And you could, use that for shelter for a while. Do picnic in there. And they have this what we call swimming pool for children and adults. And remember, here in SAGPULON Falls, there is no store. So you have to bring your own food and your own water. Hi everyone, Radical Ray here, and we are here now in SAGPULON. So excited? Yeah. So how's the trip? So,
bumpy
ride. 50 pesos. So each. So back and forth, you're gonna be spending like 200 pesos a fare, but it's good. Entrance fee is 16 pesos only. Oh. Yeah, and then cottage is only 100, but I don't think you need a cottage for this. So remember, bring your own water. Bring your own snack and food, because when we reach SAGPULON Falls, there is no store. Pure nature. Oh yeah. It's but freezing in here. Well, I'm inviting you guys and gals to drop by here in SAGPULON Falls. It's absolutely amazing and definitely pure nature experience. Anyway, we have to go now. So, Radical Ray here with April. Thanks for watching. Enjoy another show. Oh, pauwi na kami. What do you say?
lovely.
Lovely. Lovely, lovely. It's a lovely day. Lovely. Oh, gigangan. You are watching ORO Jam. We are inviting you for our new site www.orojam.ning.com. Be a member and be updated of the newest videos and contests straight in your email. Don't forget to rate or comment. More information updated in the video description box. And for more videos and updates, feel free to subscribe to this channel. See you there at www.orojam.ning.com.